How to change the language on trip.com. Hey guys, welcome to today's tutorial. So today I'll be teaching you how to change the language on trip.com. So if you don't know how to do this, ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first thing you are going to do is that you're going to log into trip.com using the Google Chrome on your PC. In the search box, type in trip.com. Okay, so once you've typed it in, this is the interface that you're going to see, and ensure that you've signed in or you've signed up. Okay, so at the top left corner, that's the top left corner of your screen of the home page, you see the trip.com logo. It's close to it, you see the search box. Here you can search out whatever destination that you want, or whatever hotel, or whatever information that you need to get on trip.com website. So at the top left right corner, you see app, you see the option help. Here you'll be directed to the help support or customer support, where you can tell them whatever issue that you have and it will be sorted out. So you also see the USD here, which stands for currency. And also after that, you see my bookings option. Here you have whatever booking you placed before, or the current one that you just placed. The list of your bookings will be available under the options my booking. Also, you see the profile icon after my bookings. You also see several other things on the home page. You see hotels, you see flights. So if you want to know more about hotels, or you want to have a breakdown on hotels and so on, you can simply click on the option hotels. You see flights. There's also trains, cars, attractional tours, bundle and save, and so on, available on the home page. Okay, so you can just scroll down to know what to have an overview of what trip.com is all about. So trip.com is all about aircraft trips. So they ensure that they make it easy for you to travel on air using aircraft and so on. So back to the question, how to change the language on trip.com. So now you have to go just have a thorough look on the home page to see the option how to change the language. What if you don't see the option of how to change the language? You simply go to the top right corner where you have help. You click on help. Here you're directed to the customer support, and just scroll down the page. So you see the option to change the language. So once you've seen the option to change the language, simply click on the option. Once you see the option, click on it, and whatever information or whatever solution is being displayed on your screen is what you should follow. Okay, make sure you read the instructions carefully, follow them carefully, then enable you successfully change the language on trip.com. Okay, so it's very simple and you can try it out. So this is simply how to change the language on trip.com. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you.